Hey guys, so if you have a really old computer and you're trying to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your computer, but you can't seem to figure it out, well, I figured out a way to do it, and it works for me, and I hope it can help you guys too. Hey guys, so a couple of weeks ago, I was trying to connect my Bluetooth headphones to my PC, and I couldn't figure it out. I was looking at a bunch of YouTube videos, searching for drivers and all this stuff, but it didn't work. Finally, I found this video on YouTube that showed me how to use a troubleshooting tool that's built into the computer. And it basically told me that my computer doesn't have Bluetooth capability and that I would need to basically purchase an external little Bluetooth dongle. So I did purchase one from AliExpress. It's this little thing right here. It's like a little USB, but it's a Bluetooth dongle. And all you gotta do is connect it into the USB slot, and then you can connect your headphones or earpods or earphones to your computer and watch videos and listen to music and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys how the troubleshooting tool works, and I'll also leave some links in the description. Anyways, let's get on the computer and I'll show you guys how to use the troubleshooting tool. Click on the Windows Start thingy at the bottom left. Search Troubleshooting. Click Troubleshooting at the top. Click Hardware and Sound. Click on Bluetooth. Click Next. It's really that simple. Alright, so the device does not have Bluetooth. Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using an external adapter to add Bluetooth capability to the computer. So that's what the Bluetooth adapter or the dongle is that you can get from Amazon or AliExpress, or even check your local Facebook marketplace or something like that. It's pretty inexpensive. I got mine for like $2-3. On Amazon, it's like $10. Alright, so just connect the dongle to the USB port. Alright, so at the bottom of your screen, you'll want to click on the Bluetooth icon that pops up. That's a good sign. Click on Bluetooth or add Bluetooth or other device. Click Bluetooth. And at this point, you want to make sure that your headphones or whatever Bluetooth device you're using is powered on. This will take a little while to have your PC find your Bluetooth device, as it normally does. I'm sure we waste like years of our lives connecting Bluetooth devices. There it is. So I click on the H2 wireless headphones. It is connecting. More time wasted away. That's it. Your device is ready to go. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. Let's test it out. There you go. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped you guys out. I'm so excited to actually watch some movies and listen to music with my headphones. The headphones actually, just like listening to music with beats, like bass and stuff like that, it just sounds so much better. And not just earpods too, but like headphones, because I actually have a lot of earpods and earbuds. But headphones, there's something about them, it just sounds so good. Alright guys, so hopefully that helps you guys out. Remember, please do like and subscribe if it was helpful, and have the best day ever. Alright, peace.